Hey everyone, it's Marks here, and we're back again with another big update in the world of ethical hacking and penetration testing. Kali Linux just dropped their 2025.3 release, and it's packing some serious heat. We're talking 11 brand new tools ready to be added to your arsenal. So whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out in cybersecurity, this video is your one-stop shop for everything new in Kali 2025.3. We're going to dive deep, break down each tool, and I'll give you my thoughts on what makes them stand out. Stay locked because we're about to explore some seriously powerful tools. First up, we've got NetSploit, and this one is a game changer for anyone who's ever spent hours on manual exploitation. Basically, NetSploit takes the heavy lifting out of finding and exploiting vulnerabilities. Imagine this: you run a vulnerability scan, and you're staring at a list of potential targets. Instead of manually testing each one, NetSploit swoops in, analyzes the results, and automatically selects the most promising exploits. NetSploit doesn't just stop at finding exploits, it actually attempts to run them for you. Of course, it's important to use this responsibly and ethically, but in the right hands, NetSploit can significantly speed up your workflow and help you uncover vulnerabilities faster than ever before. Even if you're new to ethical hacking, you can pick up the basics pretty quickly. So, if you're tired of manual exploitation and want to boost your efficiency, you need to check out NetSploit. Next up, we're talking WiFind, and this one is for all my Wi-Fi enthusiasts out there. WiFind is designed to uncover hidden wireless networks. You know, those sneaky ones that don't show up in your regular Wi-Fi scan. But in the context of ethical hacking and penetration testing, WiFind can be a valuable tool for uncovering potential security weaknesses. Imagine you're assessing the security of a company's network. They might think they're being extra cautious by hiding their Wi-Fi network, but WiFind can help you uncover those hidden SSIDs, revealing potential entry points that might have otherwise gone unnoticed. WiFind captures valuable information about these hidden networks, like signal strength, encryption type, and even the MAC address of the access point. This data can be crucial for further analysis and testing. So, if you're serious about Wi-Fi security assessments, WiFind is definitely worth adding to your toolkit. Alright, let's talk about DecryptX, and this one is for all my cryptography enthusiasts out there. DecryptX is a powerful password cracking tool that uses a variety of techniques to break through even the toughest encryption. Using DecryptX to target systems or accounts without permission is a big no-no. However, in the context of ethical hacking and security assessments, DecryptX can be an invaluable tool for testing the strength of passwords and identifying vulnerabilities. It supports a wide range of hashing algorithms, including MD5, SHA-1, SHA-256, and many more. Plus, it offers multiple cracking methods, such as brute force attacks, dictionary attacks, and even rainbow table attacks. DecryptX leverages the power of your graphics card to accelerate the cracking process. So if you're serious about password security and want to test the limits of your own defenses, DecryptX is definitely worth checking out. Chapter 4, Tool 4, WebMap, Mapping the Digital Landscape. Moving on to WebMap, a tool for reconnaissance and gathering information. Think of WebMap as your digital detective, uncovering hidden connections and mapping websites. It crawls through a website, creating a visual map of pages, directories, and subdomains. WebMap also gathers information about technologies used, potential vulnerabilities, and sensitive files. The visual map and detailed reports provide valuable insights for further analysis and testing. For web application security, WebMap is a must-have tool. It's like having a digital map guiding you through a website's secrets. Chapter 5, Tool 5, PacketForge, Crafting Custom Packets. Let's talk about PacketForge. And this one is for all my network gurus out there. PacketForge is a powerful tool that allows you to create and customize network packets from scratch. Now, I know what you're thinking, creating packets? Isn't that like really advanced? And you're right, it can be. But PacketForge makes it surprisingly accessible, even if you're not a networking expert. Network packets are like the building blocks of communication on the internet. PacketForge allows you to craft custom packets, modify existing ones, and even inject them into a network. This level of customization opens up a world of possibilities for network analysis and testing. Chapter 6. Tool 6 AutoRDP, Automating Remote Access. Next up we have AutoRDP, and this one's all about efficiency and automation when it comes to remote desktop connections. Now, RDP, or Remote Desktop Protocol, is a widely used protocol for accessing computers remotely. AutoRDP takes the hassle out of manually connecting to multiple machines. Instead of manually entering credentials and navigating through menus for each connection, AutoRDP swoops in and automates the entire process. AutoRDP doesn't just streamline connections, it also allows you to execute commands or scripts on remote machines simultaneously. This can be a huge time saver for tasks like software installations, updates, or even just gathering system information. Even if you're new to scripting or automation, you can pick up the basics pretty quickly. Chapter 7. Tool 7 HashMe, Hashing Made Easy. Let's talk about HashMe, a simple yet surprisingly handy tool for all your hashing needs. Hashing is the process of transforming data into a fixed-length string of characters, also known as a hash value. HashMe simplifies this process, making it easy to generate hashes for files, text strings, or even entire directories. This is incredibly useful for verifying data integrity, ensuring that files haven't been tampered with during transmission or storage. HashMe supports a wide range of hashing algorithms, including industry standards like MD5, SHA-1, SHA-256, and many more. This gives you the flexibility to choose the algorithm that best suits your needs, whether you're verifying file downloads or securing sensitive information. The interface is clean and intuitive, making it incredibly easy to use, even if you're new to the world of hashing. Chapter 8. Tool 8 LogHound, Digging Through the Logs. Next up we have LogHound for all my log analysis ninjas. LogHound sifts through mountains of log data to uncover hidden gems indicating security incidents or anomalies. Log analysis is like finding a needle in a haystack. LogHound simplifies this with powerful filters, search operators, and visualization tools. It helps you search for events, filter noise, and identify suspicious patterns. Advanced features like correlation rules help spot complex attack patterns or system failures. Chapter 9. Tool 9 SSLScan, Unmasking Weak SSL Configurations. Let's talk SSLScan, a tool that's all about strengthening your website's security by putting your SSL TLS configuration to the test. SSL TLS is the backbone of secure communication on the web, encrypting data and protecting sensitive information from prying eyes. SSLScan acts like a virtual security consultant, probing your website's SSL TLS implementation for potential weaknesses or misconfigurations. Even if you have SSL TLS enabled on your website, there's still a chance that it might be misconfigured or using outdated security protocols, making you vulnerable to attacks. SSLScan helps you identify these weaknesses by performing a series of tests, checking for things like supported cipher suites, certificate validity, and potential vulnerabilities like Heartbleed or Poodle. SSLScan doesn't just point out the problems, it also provides recommendations on how to fix them. Chapter 10. Tool 10 ShellShock, Exploiting a Critical Vulnerability. Next up, we're diving into ShellShock, and this one's a bit different. It's not a tool for everyday use, but rather a proof-of-concept exploit for the infamous ShellShock vulnerability that sent shockwaves through the security world a few years back. The ShellShock vulnerability, also known as Bashdor, was a critical vulnerability that affected the Bash shell, a ubiquitous command line interpreter used in countless Linux and Unix-based systems. ShellShock, the tool, demonstrates the severity of this vulnerability by providing a working exploit that you can test in a controlled environment. It's a valuable lesson in cybersecurity history and a testament to the importance of patching vulnerabilities promptly. Chapter 11. Tool 11 Volatility, Forensic Memory Analysis. Finally, let's wrap things up with Volatility, a powerful framework for forensic memory analysis. Volatility extracts valuable information from a computer's RAM, even if deleted from the hard drive. It provides tools for analyzing memory dumps, snapshots of RAM at a specific time. Volatility uncovers running processes, network connections, login credentials, and remnants of malicious activity. This data is crucial for understanding security incidents and gathering legal evidence. It supports Windows, Linux, macOS, and Android. An indispensable tool for forensic investigators and security analysts. That's it for today's video, everyone. We've just scratched the surface of what's possible with these 11 new tools in Kali Linux 2025.3. Remember, these tools are incredibly powerful, so it's crucial to use them responsibly and ethically. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates on the latest in tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.